Hello, this is Jim Lupkin, and this video is about how to design your business page. Now, the reason you want to design your business page is you want to create a website type of tab inside of Facebook so that you can sell your products or services. It's the same reason why you want a website. It's to give people information, maybe give them a video of your product, maybe some customer testimonials, but give them a good idea of what your business is about and do it inside of Facebook. Now, how do you actually create one of these? Maybe you want to call it a mini website. Other companies call them custom tabs. How do you want to create one inside of Facebook? Well, using our custom tab creator, what you're going to do is you're first going to choose the fan page, the business page that you want your custom tab or your mini website to be displayed on. So when I created the business page earlier, I chose Jim Lupkin Social Media. So that's the one that I'm going to click on. Now what that is doing is when I'm done creating my custom tab, it's going to load it onto that page. So make sure you choose a page that you want it to load onto. The next page it's going to bring you to is a list of the templates. Now as I scroll down through here, it's going to show me the different templates that are available. Now to get a good idea for what these templates can do for you, what I would do is I would click on View Sample underneath each one, because this will give you a finished layout of what someone else did. So this is what a Aflac representative did. They put in text, they put in some videos talking about their services, they put in some customer testimonials down here. Then they wrote in some text about how they can help you. And then they have a contact where they can click on this and send them a private email through Facebook. Let me give you an example of another one. So the template right next to it, which looks maybe a little complex, but it's definitely more sophisticated. You're going to click on View Sample. And with this one, you can upload your business card. You can choose and insert website URLs from your existing website, so people can go to your website just by clicking on these. You can insert videos just like I showed you in the last template. This one goes even further. It allows you to insert your Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube URL so people can find you on other sites. Let me show you one more. This one is more specific to e-commerce. So here, by clicking on View Sample, I can upload an image. I can put in some text about my different products, and then I can put in a URL here, so when I click on this, it takes them to my shopping cart on my website. So just click on the View Sample for each one, and it'll give you a good idea of what custom tab you would like to use. What I'm going to do is use the most sophisticated one, which is this one right here, just to show you the depth of the functionality. So what I'm going to do is click on the tab itself, and now it's going to bring me to the edit page. Now as you can see, there's already a different color on it. The reason being is because I was working on this earlier. So let's go right to that feature. It's called Save. Whenever you click on Save, it's going to bring you to your custom tab that you were working on earlier. This way you don't lose any of your work. So now let's look at the different features. First one is content. Now before I go through this, I want you to understand that everything, all the text, all the images, all the videos, all the colors, everything is editable on your custom tabs. Everything. So let's first do content. I can go to wherever I see text, click on it, and I can start changing out the text. Then what I can do is I can insert a URL. So maybe I want to put a URL in here so when people click on it, it's going to take them to my external website that I already have, to the products page. I'll put it in here and click update. And then when this page goes live, if somebody clicks on it, that's how they're going to go to the product page. I would do that for each one. And then I would go down and change the content out down here as well. Now as you notice, as I'm adding in the content, this box opens up, cancel text changes. If I click on that, it'll revert back to the setting before I tampered with it. This way, if you end up writing a long message and you realize you like the text you had before, just click cancel text changes. And you're going to do that all throughout the custom tab, changing all of the text. Now when you see images like this, using the content button that you see up here, you can also edit those. So I clicked on the first one right here, and this box opened up. I would insert my YouTube channel, and I would click update. That way, if somebody clicks on YouTube, it's going to take them to my YouTube channel. Now, what if I don't use YouTube? I just click hide, and you can see it disappeared. I can do LinkedIn, insert my LinkedIn URL, click update, or maybe I don't use LinkedIn and I will click hide. And then I can do Twitter, insert my Twitter page, click update, and then it will show. Again, I can click hide if I don't use Twitter. If you want them to appear down the road, just click unhide icons and they will appear back on your custom tab, as you can see right here. Now, there's some other things you can do with the text by clicking on the appearance button. So once I click on appearance, I can go to any of the text, and you can also do this with the sidebars. I can choose my font style. So from a drop down, I can choose a different font. So maybe I want to choose Impact. As you can see, the font changed. I might want to choose a font size, so I can change it. I might want to change bold, italic size, and I may want to change the color. So I can drag it around just like I would on a sidebar, and I can change out the color. I also may want to center it, right justified or left justified, or I may decide after doing this that I don't like what I did, and I just click undo changes and it will take it back to what it was like before I started to tinker with it. Now by clicking on content, I can click on video, and this will allow me to upload my videos. Now uploading your videos is incredibly simple. What you're going to do is you're going to go to YouTube, or if you put them on Facebook, that's fine as well. So let me give you an example from YouTube. I'm going to go into YouTube right now, and obviously you're going to put in business videos if you're a small business, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to choose one of my favorite singers, which happens to be Rihanna. Then what I'm going to do is, let me search first. I'm going to go through here and I'm going to choose this video. Of course, I won't play it for you, so I'll stop it. But up here in the URL, after the equal sign, what you're going to do is you're going to copy this, come back to your page, and you're going to paste it in here. And you can read the instructions right here if it's giving you an example of what you're supposed to put in here. You're going to click upload, and now it's going to appear. Now you may go through here and you may decide that you do not want a video. Just simply click on appearance, click on it, and you can upload an image instead. So you can put images into these areas. And of course you can left justify it, right justify it, you can change out colors and also do the tile. You can also do full screen, which allows you to edit your custom tab from a full screen. And of course, when you're done working on it, make sure you click that save button to save your work. Now, I already published this, but if you did not publish your page yet, all you're going to do is click on finalize your page. You're going to click yes, it's saved if you saved it. If you didn't, click no, it's not saved. Go back and save it first, and then click yes, it's saved. Now, because I already published it, it's not showing here, but it will show the page that you chose earlier. It will appear here. All you're going to do then is click a box that will appear here that says publish, and then it will show on your page just like it is here. Let me go back to the page because I want to show you one more feature. And this feature is see your page. So by clicking on see your page, it's going to open up another window and bring me to my actual business page. I'm going to click on template, which was going to appear right here. And this way you can see what all of your potential customers will see when they come to your business page. So the first page they see, which is obviously your click here page, and this tells them what's going to happen if they click allow us. So when I click on it, a box will open up first. Let me stop the video. And the box will ask you to allow or don't allow. If you click allow, you as the owner of the business page is going to receive a message for you to follow up with that person immediately. That means it's a hot lead for your product or service. A message will also go out to them thanking them for looking at your page, and then a message will go into the news feed telling all of their friends that they just looked at your page. Now, if they click not allow, don't get down on that. All that means is they don't want to be contacted right now. So when you do get that allow lead, make sure you contact them right away because that's considered a hot lead. So as I'm making changes in here on my page, I can keep swapping back and forth and seeing the changes happening live. So once you publish your custom tab once, every time you go back and make a change, like maybe you want to change out a video, all you have to do is click save and it will automatically publish live to your page with that new update. That's as easy as it is to do your custom tab. Enjoy.